I just ordered a real mower, a couple days ago on Amazon, and it just arrived today, so let's go ahead and do an unboxing and take a look at what's inside. Instructions. Yeah, grass catcher. It's very cheap, under $100. It's like 80 something with tax. Made by GreenWorks. Blade. The wheels. Ugh. A few more metal pieces. This is the steering handle. And let's put it together. The instruction manual is pretty cool. Looks like it's on some sort of recycled paper, giving you that added satisfaction that you are helping the environment with this gas-free push mower. And I'm going to continue to build this thing. Okay, I've finished building it, and I just checked the real blades with a piece of paper, cutting it in different sections. It looks like it's pretty good. And I'll just go ahead and show you how I put the bag on. A couple of clips here on the roll bar. Strap clips here. Ready to go. Just gonna about do it. In my next update, I gotta wait a few days for this grass to grow a little bit, and then we'll give it a test cut and see how this thing fares. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you back here next time. Bye.